In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy on Dexscreener using Phantom Wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have your Phantom Wallet connected to Dexscreener. In order to do this, all we need to do is we need to go to the left menu and scroll down over here until we see this option that does say sign in. We will then be provided a bunch of different options, but for this video, let's go ahead and press on connect wallet just like so, and then let's go ahead and press on verify your account. So let's go ahead and press on sign in message, and then it is going to open up Phantom Wallet right over here. So from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on confirm. By the way, just make sure that whatever Phantom account wallet you have, that Ethereum is actually selected, because we need to go ahead and use Ethereum in order to connect it. So let's go ahead and press on confirm just like so. And then there you go. We have now successfully logged in into our wallet. By the way, you want to make sure that you do have the Phantom Wallet browser extension right over here. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on the token that you want to go ahead and purchase. Now, let's say for this video, we wanted to go ahead and purchase some greed token. What we need to do is we need to go ahead and select on it, and we can go ahead and view the performance from here. We can go ahead and take a look at all the transactions, the top traders, snipers, holders, and all that good stuff. And by the way, whenever you are looking for cryptocurrencies or tokens to go ahead and purchase, make sure to do your due diligence. I'm just buying a random one over here. I did not do any research for this token, but obviously if you're actually going to make an investment, then you want to do your research and you want to go ahead and just do as much risk management as possible. But anyways, guys, all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on this option that does say buy. Also, you will need to make sure that your Phantom Wallet does have some funds, more particularly Solana. So as you're able to tell, my Phantom Wallet actually does have Solana right over here. We got like $4 worth of Solana, so we are good to go. And if you guys do not know how to add Solana to Phantom Wallet, then all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on this option that does say buy. Then go ahead and select on Solana. Go ahead and select on your account and select on how much Solana you would actually want to purchase. So we can go ahead and purchase like $20 worth of Solana, and from here we can go ahead and buy it with a credit or debit card using Robinhood or stuff like that. We could also do like a bank transfer. We could also use all these other platforms like Stripe, blockchain.com, unlimited, Coinbase Pay. So there's a lot of great options that Dexscreener does have to offer. But anyways, guys, all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and just make sure you select on how much Solana you want to go ahead and use to purchase this token. So for this video, I'm going to purchase 0.01 of this particular token. So once you're done with that, go ahead and select on the slippage and then go ahead and press on buy. Then it is going to open up Phantom Wallet and it will say confirm transaction. Then go ahead and press on confirm once you confirmed everything. Let's go ahead and do that really quickly. And then there you go. It will say transaction confirmed, open in a block explorer. So let's go ahead and press on that like so. And then it is going to open up SoulScan, where it is going to show the actual transaction. So yep, here it is. Here's the signature, the block, and a timestamp. And if we go ahead and open up Phantom Wallet like so, and then you will notice that you will actually get the greed token right over here as well. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.